Hey everyone, happy Father's Day today. In honor of Father's Day, I'm going to show you how to draw a number one dad trophy. So hope you follow along and enjoy this day, and happy Father's Day to everyone out there. Now to start off with our Father's Day trophy, we're going to begin right here at the top. So I'm going to start here and we're just going to draw a line that comes across. Next, right here, we're going to draw a line that comes down on each side. And then we're going to make another line across here for the top of the trophy. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to go over and up here for like a big U shape. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes down here. And another one that's going to come down here. Right across here, I'm going to draw a straight line. We're going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to come over, and then we're going to go up and connect here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to come down and then in. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go out. We're going to come down and then in. Then we want to make that exact same shape inside of here for the handles of our trophy. Then on here we just want to write number one dad. So we're just going to go ahead and make a little number sign. To make that 1, we're just going to make a little curved line. A line that goes down and then over. Then a line that goes straight down. We'll make a line that goes over. We'll come down. Then we'll go over on each side. Down on each side, and across. And then right down here, we're just going to write the word dad. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Father's Day trophy. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.